Imphal West narcotics cell arrests 2 persons with 7 packets of WY tablet worth about 7 lakh rupees. Auto Driver, a documentary by filmmaker Meena Longjam wins Best Short Documentary in the audience category at California. Students of Veeramangal College begin fast until death with various demands at their college gate. Hello and welcome to Impact News. We're watching Prime Time English News and I'm Premi Thangjam bringing you the top stories. Imphal West narcotics cell have arrested 2 persons with 7 packets of WY tablets worth about 7 lakhs rupees from international market today during a drive. They have been identified as a 33-year-old Muhammad Ithim Chauba, son of late Muhammad Azizur from Sora Mamang Laikai, and Muhammad Safikar Rahman, son of Muhammad Azizur Rahman from Sora Mayai Laikai. They were arrested near BD Pharmacy and Maitai Laikai on National Highway number 2. The drive was conducted under the supervision of SP Imphal West, led by additional SP Law and Order Priyadarshini Laishram and Inspector of Imphal West Narcotics Cell Kangcham Ranjit.
Aikogi lairiba source na su amok makogi kanose identify tawrakanda haitare confirm oirakanda kogi whole team na moigi body search ke kama chathaba matam sida ista hairiba kanose WY tablets packet taret si yaurambani international market ta adum more than 7 lakhs kumbagi adum magi value se lakani aduna koi shugumba pot sida ista yamna akanba koi crackdown se chatharakanda phanana ba hotnaba aduga sigi pusalaiba say sale se tohandaba aduga so that it will not be available to the users in akoina junction jariba akogi duty bound oina asigum sida akoina junction jariba sida we have full hope that government will encourage us.
Auto Driver, a documentary film by filmmaker Meena Longjam, has won the Best Short Documentary in the audience category at the California-based Women's Voices Now Film Festival, an organization which advocates women's rights through films. The film tells the story of Laibi, a woman auto driver based in the conflict-torn Imphal city, and how she took up this particular profession to support her ailing husband and the education of her 2 sons, all the while defying a traditional society. The film shows her struggle from starting off as a daily wage laborer in a brick kiln where she used to earn a mere 60 rupees for loading 1,000 bricks to how she has to face the discrimination of passengers who shun lady auto drivers. The film, which also portrays how the livelihoods of daily wage earners are severely affected by frequent bans in the state, won the National Award in 2015 for Best Social Issue and was also screened at several prestigious national and international film festivals, including Dhaka International Film Festival, Kolkata International Film Festival, and Kathmandu International Mountain Film Festival. Students of Veeramangal College are on fast until death from today with various demands at the college gate. The college has not been in a proper functional state without a governing body. Number of teachers coming to college have reduced since they do not get their salaries on a regular basis. Lack of a principal in the college is also affecting the students. Secretary of Boys Common Room, Veeramangal College Student Union, Yumnam Ajit, said there has been no secretary of the college. He said students will continue to fast until the concerned authority looks into the matter. Forest Minister T.H. Shyamkumar inspected Jiribam Kashwanat Development Farm today. The minister in his visit said that the government will take up steps in consultation with the Council of Ministers to earn income from the farm. It may be mentioned the farm has not been functional since a sports stadium complex was built on it and there was lack of manpower. Kalakshetra, Manipur organized a premiere show for Kaishum Sanginupi at Chandrakirti Auditorium Palace compound today. The play is an adaptation of Bhishma Dev, written by Yumnam Rajendra and Laishram Gizu by R.K. Bhubonsana. Earlier speaker Yumnam Khemchan, renowned theatre director Naba Warepa, director of arts and culture S. Sobita took part in a function before the play. Kaishum Sanginupi is directed by Haishnam Tomba, son of late Padma Shri Haishnam Kanhailal. The play depicts a woman's life from the time of birth till the time society suppresses her and other difficulties she goes through in the society in her lifetime. Renowned theatre artists of the state, writers, aspiring directors and lovers of theatre were present at the premiere show.
माशगंधा
थमोई शोकना कपलिबदी माले मसिदा लेरिबा नुपी कुदिमक अईगिदी इम्मा ngaktane माशगंधा
Mitai Mayek competitions were held today in different schools of Manipur on the occasion of Mitai Mayek Implementation Day to be organized by Mitai Iyek Irol Loinasilol Apunbalup Milal on May 18. The competitions were held at 16 centers including 7 in Imphal West, 2 Thawbal centers, 3 Imphal East centers, 1 Kakching center and 3 Bishnupur centers under 5 different categories. A total of 3,000 students from 16 centers participated in the competition. It may be mentioned that Milal has been taking up steps to promote Mitai Mayek. Mitai Mayek has been added in the syllabus of Class 1 and Class 2 from the academic session 2006-2007 after reaching an agreement with the former government on May 18, 2005. Milal has been observing May 18 as the Mitai Mayek Implementation Day. Mitai Mayek TET supplementary successful candidates held a meeting at Singtumai Pishum How ground today. Candidates appealed the state government to fill the vacant positions for Mitai Mayek teachers. Women's and Youth Protection Trust Imphal and Department of Social Welfare jointly organized a one-day awareness program about the differently abled persons at Gwangkai Community Hall today. Yai School MLA Thokchom Satyabarta, Commissioner of Manipur State Disability, Director of Social Welfare Department and many people of the area were present at the event. Speakers at the event emphasized upon the need to change one's outlook towards disabled persons. People have a responsibility in helping them lead a simple life. The rights of the disabled are only on papers and not put into actions. They said a case should be filed if anyone abuses them and cheats them for a job. All Manipur recognized Private Schools Welfare Association organized a discussion program under the theme Present Examination System in Manipur at Manipur State Guest House, Sanjen Thong today. The present examination system and their inconveniences facing the teachers were discussed in detail. Senior Advocate of Manipur High Court, Khaidem Mani, former Principal of Manipur College, Professor El Sadananda and many academicians took part in the discussion program. The discussion was held with an objective to find out a solution to the malpractices, especially during the class 10 and 12 examinations and during evaluation of the answer papers by taking expert advices and to submit suggestions to the concerned authority. Harikagok Makong Development Club organized a free medical camp at Bhamon Laikai, Harikagok Makong Committee's office today. The camp was sponsored by LCM Pharmacy, Harikagok Makong. Over 120 persons received a free hepatitis B and hepatitis C screening test. All Thanga People's Welfare Association to organize a reception for the successful candidates in the MPSC exam and officers of various departments of government of Manipur from Thanga who were recently promoted at Lamyanba Shanglen today. Mementos were presented to 4 MCS officers and 7 promoted officers on the occasion. It's time for a small commercial break. Lots more coming up right after this break. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the break. You're watching Prime Time English News. A Tata DI carrying oil to be supplied at telecom heading from Imphal to Moirang collided with a Maruti car carrying family members from Tiruchanpur between Yumnam Kuno and Kaino Lonaba under Nambol police station today. The registration number of the Tata DI and the Maruti car are MN01G 0593 and MN02 B1571 respectively. A child riding in the car and a person identified as Moirang Them Nanao from Kongpal Kongkham Laikai on board Tata DI have been admitted to the hospital with serious injuries. Committee on Human Rights COHR organized an All India protest day today to press their demands: release of Professor G.N. Sai Baba and 5 other lodged at the Nagpur jail, removal of Draconian law of SPA, and MCOCA were some of the demands. An artillery shell weighing about 8 kgs was found at Kaino Thongkha under Bishnupur district around 9 a.m. this morning. Laishtra Machoba found a shell in a drain. Upon hearing the news, a bomb squad of Bishnupur police arrived at the spot. It was later disposed of at a safe location. Maito Ningsing Lup organized a sit-in at Kishampat Laimajam Laikai Community Hall today, demanding a closure to the long-pending case regarding Ahungpung Laiphamlel at Kurai Ahungpung. Secretary of the Lup, Ahanthim Irabot, said the case has been going on against the encroachment of the sacred place by the non-Manipuris living in Tilipati. He blamed the advocate representing the non-Manipuris for prolonging the case. Irabot expressed apprehensions of the community clash if the case is not resolved at the earliest. He appealed the relevant authorities to look into the matter at the earliest. He said the land is in the name of a non-Manipuri, Bhagyapati Prasad, without the allotment order.
Case as some tender the gadi, high river like pharmacy, Lebaki, Oiber, like Pamnina, Masi, Atuba Marile Navesina, Lebaki, Simbo Ribisina, me and Tamahugdagadi, Matam Chana, Masi, Communion violence, Lakpagi, Yamna Chauba Maramama, later when Masi, Department Oiba, Moy official Oiba correspondent, so see young Masi in a revenue. So Adu Tada Navigidamukta, Masi, Masigi, Wakal, Asi. Kesiwo Paireba, Wangedegi, Hemchandra, Hariba, Ukilasigi, Magi, Manakong, Tananaba, Marile, Nava, Lucing Basing, the Kangana Nabegitamuta, Masi, Aki, Wakat Mipamasi, Pamzeban.
A shop constructed over a burial ground at Uripok Pachaspati, Awang Laikai, was demolished today. The incident occurred around 12:30 this afternoon. People alleged that the land has been encroached upon. When Impact News reached the spot, the shop was found destroyed. Art was found dug at the spot for laying foundation. Locals claim that the area has been utilized by the people of the area for a long time now. This shop has been constructed by force while the pond by The burial ground is currently undergoing a case. Half of the land has also been acquired by the government for road expansion. The shop has been demolished for denying the repeated appeal made by the people. There was an order by the SDO Lamphil last year to evict the occupants of this land. On the other hand, the alleged encroachers said the land is Indian name since 1991 in an official document. They have also won a case in the High Court in this regard. The locals have now filed a case in the High Court and there will be a resolution in 5 days.
Hariba lama ji 2004 da paunam achau haiba MLA duna lama si khas le ni haiduna lompak siga loina punna takhaira mabalam ne aduga loina na hoji lambi takpagi matang da mangji su yaure mangsi yaw khrabani na hoji akoi mangsana be jaga leite pokhi leite aduna matam khra sing yom de koina leiba kini mayam gini khalaga dum jon jasuna khochno thammane adu hoji pokhi je phun gre adu matong da yum sana ba tore yum sana ba to khujigi hoji lekai mam hupaga sige je sagin ko kona da hoji case kan chathanari case asab in the process leibani na sabiga no copy gano ane leibak lekai mayam changaga hojik se ari mafam je thing bane.
All Manipur refreshed written test successful candidate of police constable male 2013 batch has welcomed the decision of the government to continue with the Viva Voce. They have also called off the proposed 48-hour general strike from the midnight of 7th May and warned of agitations if the government does not fix a date for the Viva Voce by the 15th of this month. On the other hand, Police Department Government of Manipur in a press release has stated that the Viva Voce for Police Constable Male 2013 batch will be resumed from 10th of May at Manipur Police Training College, Pangai. And now to sports news. Manipur team that will participate in the 7th Hockey India Sub-Junior Man Hockey Championship Division A left Imphal for Bangalore today. Led by coach KSH Ibopishak and manager and Ranjit, the team has 2 goalkeepers, 5 midfielders, 5 defenders and 6 forward players. The championship that will be held from 10th to 21st of this month will see 20 teams from across the country competing in 4 different groups. Manipur is in Group B alongside Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Bihar. The flagging off ceremony held at Kuman Lampak Hockey Stadium today was attended by Olympian hockey player Khadangbam Kothachit, CEO of Manipur Hockey, Gyanendra Ningombam and Vice President Basudev. Kothachit appealed to parents to play a vital role in developing a good hockey players in Manipur.
Hockey 90% mentally fit or darkale. Aduga hakchang ngakta na sumya de 90% kokta juni hygienic. Association na jo district chatana grassroots level gi angang macha mayam je training program mayam tawbiragadi hojikan yangang abune na faba player thorakani haina hygienic. Hockey sana of the ma pagi jo yamna have the support of yam maru hygienic. Have the ojaga na taga adu ngakta ju yade mama paga na support of dakale.
UTA unit Yumnam Laika has emerged the overall champion of the 13th Governors Taekwondo Cup, Manipur. In the final day today at Indoor Stadium, Kuman Lampak, UTA unit Yumnam Laika scored a total of 495 points to be crowned the overall champion. National Sports Academy Kuman Lampak unit scored 334 points to be adjudged the runners-up, and Sai RC Takel unit scored 309 points to be crowned the second runners-up. President of All Manipur Taekwondo Association, Bobby Waikom, Speaker Yumnam Kimchan, Parliamentary Secretary K. Robindro, Parliamentary Secretary H. Dingo and renowned persons from All Manipur Taekwondo Association were present on the closing day. Before we wrap up the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. Imphal West narcotics cell arrests 2 persons with 7 packets of WY tablet worth about 7 lakhs rupees. Auto Driver, a documentary film by filmmaker Meena Longterm wins Best Short Documentary in the Audience category at California. Students of Biramangol College begin fast until death with various demands at their college gate.